Hi, I'm Dr Sarah Forbes. I'm a GP at Oakwood Lane Medical Practice in Gipton and I'm the Associate Medical Director at NHS Leeds CCG. I'm here today to talk to you about keeping well this winter and what to do if you become unwell. So the first piece of advice is keeping a well-stocked medicine cabinet. So make sure you've got paracetamol, ibuprofen, liquid medications if it's for children, Gaviscon's a good one to have in, maybe some cream for piles if you've suffered with those in the past. But keeping a well-stocked medicine cabinet means that you can really look after yourself as a starter if you do become unwell. So if you started with some earache or some abdominal pain. If when you've tried self-medication you're still struggling, then you can ask your pharmacist for advice, and there's also NHS 111 if your GP practice is closed. What we're trying to do is take some of the pressure off primary care and off the GPs and only get the people seeing the GPs that really need to be there. So lots of people can look after themselves at home and lots of people will be okay with advice from the pharmacy.
So one of the other things that might affect people over winter is norovirus or winter vomiting and diarrhea bugs. So if you suffer with one of these, then try and stay at home. What we want to do is reduce the spread of these infections. You don't need to go and see your GP because there's often very little that can be done for an infection like this. It usually settles itself down just within 2 or 3 days. And the thing to do is to keep yourself well hydrated, make sure that you're drinking plenty. For children, generally when they're unwell, we look at, are they drinking, are they weeing, are they smiling? If they're doing those 3 things, then that's pretty reassuring. So norovirus, try and stay at home, reduce the amount of spread, make sure that you're drinking plenty. If you do need any advice, then the other place you can go is the NHS website, which has loads of advice on how to deal with minor conditions and minor illnesses over the winter period. So there's a page on diarrhea and vomiting which will give you all those hints and tips.